How to download Netflix on MacBook. So let's get started. Firstly, let's open the Mac OS and let's search for the Netflix in App Store. Simply search for the App Store in your Launchpad, or you can also search it through using Spotlight. Here, tap on the App Store, and once inside the App Store, you can see search address option available in the left side panel. Type down Netflix. Then you will get to see results for Netflix available on your screen. So as you can see, downloading and installing a Netflix app directly on a MacBook is not officially possible because Netflix does not have a dedicated macOS app. So in order to do this, we have a workaround. Simply open any web browser on your Mac and make sure you go to the netflix.com. So now once you're inside the netflix.com, make sure that you are logged into it. And once logged in, simply tap on the three dot option available in the top right corner of your Chrome. Now from the drop down menu, tap on the cast, save and share option available. Now from there, tap on the create shortcut option available. Now simply tap on the create shortcut. Now once you tap on the create shortcut, simply go to the Mac home screen, or you can also rename your Netflix. Here I am simply writing down the Netflix. Now double tap on the Netflix logo available on your home screen and you will be navigated to Netflix website. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.